Hello people, welcome to 95 Scooter Guy, and in today's video I'll be showing you what to do if your scooter is smoking or consuming too much engine oil. In today's video I'll be using my scooter as a case study. I noticed it was very difficult to start it and it was consuming way too much engine oil. It was consuming about a liter of engine oil in less than 4 days and it was smoking badly. So once I noticed this, I decided to do some research. I checked on YouTube, I checked on Google, I asked around from a couple of my friends that have scooters, I asked from a couple of mechanics, and they came up with a couple of suggestions. And the ones that stood out the most was leaky, faulty valve seal and a worn out piston and ring. So I decided to take it to the mechanic and get that fixed. On getting there, I was told I would have to remove half of the engine, which we finally did, and we got that fixed. I was unable to get original parts for Kinko because I'm here in Nigeria and they don't have any major distributor. So I had to use a GY6 piston 125 piston and ring, but it worked fine, but not great. Well, at the end, it was able to help solve the problem of smoking and the oil consumption. I had to change the oil as well, and while using it, we broke a couple of things which we had to replace, but it was minor. And towards the end, the engine ran quite fine. But I'm still riding it, still observing it. But currently, I can tell you the smoke issue is gone. The engine oil, the burning of engine oil issue is gone. Anyway, stay tuned and let's find out how we're going down. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and God bless.